Cooking Chinese rice is relatively simple, and you can do it in a few easy steps. Here's a basic recipe for cooking Chinese rice. Ingredients: 1 cup of long grain white rice, 1½ cups of water, pinch of salt, optional. Instructions: 1. Rinse the rice with cold water in a fine mesh strainer until the water runs clear. 1. This removes excess starch and dirt from the rice. 2. Place the rice in a medium-sized pot with the water and salt, if using. 2. Bring the water to a boil over high heat. 3. Reduce the heat to low, cover the pot with a tight-fitting lid, and let the rice simmer for 18 to 20 minutes. 3. Don't remove the lid while cooking as the steam is needed to cook the rice properly. 4. After 18 to 20 minutes, remove the pot from heat and let it stand covered for 5 to 10 minutes. 5. Fluff the rice with a fork and serve hot. Note: if you prefer softer rice, you can add a bit more water and increase the cooking time. Similarly, if you like drier rice, use less water and decrease the cooking time. Also, you can add some chopped green onions or minced garlic to the rice before cooking to add